We are planning on going to Jacksonville, Florida. We're headed towards Vicksburg, Mississippi today. We shouldn't have any issues getting there. From there, tomorrow morning, we'll leave out and head down towards Mobile, Alabama, and make our way into Florida. We can have our tailboards. If something doesn't look right, we can ask the question. If you don't know, you don't touch it. I mean, if it's not grounded, it's not dead. And that's the way we're gonna live, right? So let's take care of our business that way.
We, and because of many of you in the room, we're a respected public utility out there, and we make a difference. A lot of times it's how we show ourselves at rodeo. A lot of times it's just how we show ourselves in general. So I'm proud of each one of you.
Well, we've got our whole crew out there. Jeffrey.
Okay, it's Dan Smith, Dan Smith. Title. So I'm the Vice President of Electric Service Delivery with Austin Energy. Sure, we're sending 31 Austin Energy employees and then 2 City of Austin Fleet employees to support the effort. We've got a crew makeup of 5 different crews, and consists of overhead and underground distribution line personnel.
Yes, my name is Casey Gillespie. It's CASEYGILLESPIE.
Okay, and what's your title?
I'm a Distribution Electrician 1 with Austin Energy.
And tell us a little bit about what you're doing today.
So what we're doing today is we're getting prepared. We're going to head out for Florida to help with the restoration of power with Hurricane Irma coming in the next couple of days. This is kind of what I've been wanting to do since I started in line work. To be able to leave and go to help another community. I mean, mind you, we're not going for a good reason. No natural disaster is going to be good. But the fact that we can go and help with people, especially the people of Florida, to assess and help them with their power and get their lives started again, I mean, that's tenfold of what we would love to do here.
So Austin Energy is the privilege of supporting Jacksonville Electric Authority that currently is just about ready to brace for Hurricane Irma hitting landfall down the south tip of Florida. Going to make its way up through Florida and expected to do, unfortunately, quite a bit of damage. And as we understand it right now, already 200,000 plus customers are without power in the southern part of Florida. and this is our opportunity as being brothers and sister utilities to be able to support them, their community, in restoring power at the after effects of this hurricane.